Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Given is the figure that this circle symbol 1 plus second symbol plus this third symbol, if we add these three symbols, it is equal to 30. So from here we can conclude that if one symbol represent 10, then we can say that this three symbol will represent 30. So this is 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 30. So we can say that this circular symbol is equal to 10. Now it is also given that this circular symbol minus 9 times this heart symbol is equal to heart symbol. So this is given. So what should be the heart symbol from here? We can find out with the help of circular figure. We know that circular figure is 10. So we can conclude that if this heart symbol represent 1, then this circular minus 9 time heart figure will give 10 minus 9 multiplied by 1. So this is 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1. And this is equal to this heart symbol, which is given in the question, this one. So from here we can conclude that heart is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of this 4 circular symbol and 3 heart symbol. So this will be equal to, we just have to substitute the values for the symbol that we obtained. So let us substitute the values. So circular figure was 10 and the heart figure was 1. So if we add this will be equal to 43. So 43 is our answer here. So answer is 43.